Adding custom CSS to Shopify allows you to personalize your online store and enhance the user experience. To get started, you need to access your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the online store section. From there, click on the Actions drop-down menu next to your current theme and select Edit Code. In the code editor, you will see a list of files and folders on the left side. To add custom CSS, you need to locate the layout, liquid file or the theme, liquid file, depending on where you want to apply your CSS. However, the recommended approach is to create a new CSS file in the Assets folder. To create a new CSS file, click on the Add a New Asset button and select Create a New Asset. Name your file, for example, custom.css, and add your custom CSS code. After adding your CSS code, click Save. Next, you need to link your custom CSS file to your theme. You can do this by opening the layout, liquid file and adding a link to your custom CSS file. You can add the link in the head section of the layout, liquid file. Another approach to adding custom CSS is by using the theme settings. Some Shopify themes have a built-in option to add custom CSS in the theme settings. To access this option, navigate to the online store section and click on the Customize button next to your current theme. Then, click on the Advanced button and look for the Add Custom CSS option. When adding custom CSS, it is essential to follow best practices, such as using a preprocessor like Sass or Less, and using a CSS minifier to reduce file size. Additionally, make sure to test your custom CSS on different devices and browsers to ensure compatibility. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully add custom CSS to your Shopify store and create a unique and engaging user experience. Remember to always back up your theme before making any changes to the code. And consider seeking help from a professional if you are not comfortable with coding.